So, keine Angst, das ist noch nicht vorbei, aber mit dem nächsten Lied von uns selbst geschrieben, also beziehungsweise eigentlich von dem Herrn da hinten, möchten wir einmal Danke sagen. Ja, genau. Einmal einen Applaus für Sören, der hat das Ding geschrieben.
The sun goes down, the mood is on top. We make new friends and we cannot stop. We're coming back to you. We had a ball, that's because of you. The time went by just far too fast. But thanks to you, we had a blast. A day comes to an end, and here we are. Lights going out, we'll meet at the bar. Let's keep the party alive, just give us a bit. The woodpeckers came to bloody stay. We're coming back to you. We had a ball, that's because of you. The time went by just far too fast. But thanks to you, we had a blast. Ladies and gentlemen, Jörn an der Gitarre.
Eure Hilfe. Jetzt muss ich euch einmal hören. Say, oh. Jetzt noch viel lauter. Say, oh. Your shining eyes will never forget. Your boy's coming back, on that you can bet. When it's time to come back, we will be there. Give us a stage anytime, anywhere. We're coming back to you. We had a ball, that's because of you. The time went by just far too fast. But thanks to you, we had a blast. We're coming back to you. We had a ball, that's because of you. The time went by just far too fast. But thanks to you, we had a blast. Wie fandet ihr den für einen eigenen Song? So? Dankeschön. Bei den eigenen Songs muss ich das immer noch mal abholen, das Ding.